Who is that guy?
Oh, look.
Oh.
Okay, another picture.
What are you doing here? You're a film guy?
I'm lost.
This video is sponsored by Accsoon, Aurora Aperture, Manfrotto, and Rotolight.
So I'm an ONA booth. Obviously, they make a lot of bags, and then they now have a crossover bag with the Japan camera hunter. As the name suggested, he hunts for cameras in Japan, but just for film camera.
JCH.
Oh.
ONA bag. You get to see all of my lovely stuff inside my bag now.
That's actually look pretty good.
Thanks.
I mean, I'm pretty picky about these bags, but
Yeah.
honestly, that looks nice.
I am picky about these bags, which is why it took us 2 years to actually finish getting this right.
To make it the perfect bag that you want.
To make it how we wanted it. It took us ages and we finally got it there. And we got it there just in time. It was ready like last week. And then I found out that the Kasha was ready today. So we got these today. Yeah, this nice touch as well. Film holder pocket for your film case.
Oh, specially designed for the
Specially designed
JCH film case.
Oh, wait. There's bandoliers on here so you can put your film in.
Just like Rambo.
Yeah, just like Rambo. So you can act out all of your fantasies.
Let's see. Oh,
It fits.
it's handy for Sony shooters.
Very useful for Sony people.
Yeah.
For all of your batteries that you need.
Actually, we need more.
Actually, we probably need about 15 because they run out every 15 minutes. Well done, Sony. Real leather.
Real leather.
And this is brass, the same as the camera with black paint.
yeah.
So after 3 months or 2 months, you're going to start seeing it patina and brass, so it looks like a black paint.
So later you will release a special edition that is already
Done. We'll call it the Lenny Kravitz JCH ONA bag.
1,000 more.
No, like 5.
That's nice, and you can take this off.
Yeah, disconnectable, so you can, and back pocket has got a zipper, so you don't get your stuff stolen.
Yeah.
It used because the standard Burry has pockets on the outside, and I had them taken off because I don't feel that they're any use. So I had the pockets put on the inside, so I can.
Oh yeah, nice.
Get my battery packs. So it's not just for film shooters because there's things in there, so you can put your battery, you can put your router, and your film, and your bits and pieces. Yeah, phone. So everything.
Power bank.
It's a hybrid bag for the modern, refined gentleman.
Is it weatherproof?
It's not weatherproof. It's canvas, so you could wax it, to make it rain resistant, perhaps.
Old school.
Yeah, old school.
Old school.
Yeah.
So if you want to weatherproof it, you can do it with.
You can do that.
Yeah. And it looks nice.
I don't like to carry a big bag. I don't want to carry 5 cameras. I'm not going to use them. I want to carry 1. And I just need my daily bits, including, got to keep it healthy. So, I've got an apple. I've got an apple in my bag.
I got my apple.
250 pieces, I think.
Oh, just 200 pieces.
Yeah, so it's quite a limited bag.
$200 each.
About $200, I think.
About $200.
Which you have to get from ONA stores, ONA distributors, ONA online.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Like these
this
dudes. Yeah. So we've been working together for 2 years to try and put together something that
trying to satisfy your needs.
Yeah. Totally selfishly, yes, absolutely.
But usually good stuff come from you really try to make it right.
Yeah.
According to your actual need.
And I've had so many camera bags, and I've worked with so many camera bag companies that I knew what I wanted. I knew how I wanted it. It was just a matter of actually putting those things into place and seeing if they worked. And once we figured out what worked and what didn't work, we could actually, bam, there it is, it's done. We're really happy with it.
I like it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
So that's all for this video. I'm really happy for Bellamy creating his own bag, and it's a really nice bag. I really want one. Send me one, alright?